Yo, what up, what up? What's going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning. What's up? What up, what up? Alright, let's get into it, man. See what's going on. And let's take a look. So I marked out these 30-minute fair value gaps right here on the NQ, and I marked it out. And first I marked out this nice big obvious one. And you can see it right here. I marked out this big obvious fair value gap. And then I noticed this little tiny one up here. Before this ever came up and tapped into it, we were like over in this area. I noticed this tiny one up here. I said, you know what? Let me just mark that out since it's the first fair value gap kind of in this leg down. So I marked it out, and look what happened. Came right up, tapped into that tiny little fair value gap, and now we're dumping it down. So I wonder if we're going after this 24,490.75 level that I've got marked out. Let me see what that is. It's a 4-hour low over there I got marked out. 24,490.75. See, it's that low. I wonder if we're going after that. I mean, that's literally the next thing I see down here. We're inversing these fair value gaps over here. We inversed a 4-hour gap. Even though it's low, it's still, we're still disrespecting these bullish gaps. So, yeah, I think we're probably going after this 24,490 level over there. Not really any higher time frame fair value gaps. The 1 hour up here, we'd already tapped into it and started rejecting down from it. So I switched over to the 30-minute, marked out those two, tapped them, and now we're continuing on down here. Got a little low right here at around 5:30, but let's see. Let me look at the chat, see what's going on with everybody. What's up? What's up, Shrew Daigle? What's up, Jake George? What up, Evan? Roy Lawrence, Caveman, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. What up, everybody? How's it going? Let's see who all we got in here. If you're in here, say hello. Say hello. Say what's up. Appreciate the follows. Appreciate the follow. Let's go. See here. Maybe we'll catch a trade this morning down to those 24,490s. Let's see here. We're below the previous day low now. You can see it's right there. Below the Asia low, below the London low. We're just low, man. Getting a little bounce up here. See what's gonna happen. Anybody taking a trade already today? Man, I used to trade the London session, dude. I'd already be done usually at these times, but now moved on to bigger and better things here. Gene said, Slade, do you happen to know? No, I don't know him. I don't really know him. Yo, what up, TJP? What up, what up? Appreciate the follows. Appreciate all the follows. Let's go. Anybody trading with hyperticks right now? I just got a big payout with them last week. 10.5K from hyperticks. Let me put a little thing on here. All right, there we go. Hit the like button, hit the follow button. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. I'm going to try to find a trade here this morning for everybody. Yeah, VidCon the Beast. You can join the free community Discord and you can see all my payouts. Just join it. It's free, bro. Free community Discord and you can view all of my payouts. TJP shorted 603. Wish you held it. Oh yeah, I bet. HVNZO took a gold setup pre-open. Closed at a 1 to 3. It's a 1 to 10 now. Dang, bro. What up, Devin? Did anybody trade yesterday for the news? I mean the bank holiday. Did anybody trade on the bank holiday yesterday? Yeah, man. It's coming down. Going right after that 490 level, I think. Problem now is it's so low it's gonna be hard to get an entry down to there. Going right after that 490, really dumping now. Really dumping. Look at it, going right down there, buddy. If we get a little pullback into an inversion before taking out that 490 level, could be good. Could be good. Kind of a pullback up into here, sweep a little liquidity, and then dump it down right there. Could be good. Let's go HVNZO. Got a win yesterday. Let's go. Because I just got on, Ollie. I just got on. Just got on, just started looking at the charts. Gonna try to catch something. Let me make sure there's no news today before I hop in something. Let me check the Discord. We got a little news bot in there. Medium impact news this morning. Nothing too crazy. Empire State Manufacturing Index. Empire State Manufacturing Index. Yeah, but it'd be nice if we kind of popped up one of these gaps up here. Got a little inversion back down to this 490 area. Nah, CPI ain't today. Yeah, Hypertix is legit. I just got a $10.5 thousand payout from them last Monday. Now, I just use fair value gaps and liquidity. PDL is previous day low. What up, Miss K? What's going on? What's up? kind of going to be short biased until we hit this 490.75 level. It is inversing some bullish gaps now, but we'll see. It's going to have to prove me that it wants to go back bullish until we hit that 490 level down here. Did kind of sweep this level at 530 down there, but we'll see. We'll see what's going on. It's kind of pumping up now. But yeah, like I was saying, come up here, get an inversion back to the downside. I would take it. Giovanni, I've had a lot. You can join the free Discord. If you ain't in there, join the free Discord, man. We're always hanging out, having a good time, talking, trading, you know. Just having a good time. Let me see here. Yeah, but Hypertix is legit, man. If you haven't, check them out. They got some cheap accounts, really good accounts also. Go give them a look. Go give them a look. Man, if you're in here, say what's up. I want to say hello to everybody, so if you're in here, say hello while we're waiting and watching here. Let me see who's in here. Nobody's on the vertical stream over there. Let's go. Deja got a 10K payout from TPT yesterday. Should be getting another 10K from Lucid. Nice, bro. What up, Trader 007? What up, DJ Johnson? What up, what up? If you in here, say what's up. Hit that like button for me, man. It helps a lot if you hit the like button while we're sitting here waiting and watching. Hit the like button. Hit some emojis. Type something nice in the chat. It's good to spread a little bit of positivity, man. Been going to church. Feeling recharged. Got the chipster down here acting crazy. Anybody ever seen the chipster? He's running. Chipster running away. What up, what up? What's going on? What's going on? Good morning, Will. Bro, Will, I'm not good at golf. You need to talk to my brother. My brother's the golfer, man. He goes every day. I suck at it. The chipster. Oh. It's the chipster. All right, let's see. All right, let me see here. Yeah, so if we inverse this right here, I'll try a little short. If we inverse this down here, I'm going to try a little short. A little short setup. Yeah, I'm profitable. Been trading since 2018. Been trading on futures prop firm for 2 years. Oh, check out Hypertix, bro. They got some good accounts. They paying out big too. 10.5K payout last week. I like the instant funded accounts over there. I don't mess with the evaluations. I don't like to mess with those evaluations, but they got some good evaluation accounts too. All right, let's see. Somebody said check out the 5-minute. Yeah, I got a 5-minute fair value gap up here. It may come tap up into that, reject back down. We'll take a look. Keep that in mind. Just looking for a short at the moment. Looking for a short down to this 490 level. Could keep on pumping, but we'll see. We'll see. This little inversion right here is playing out though a little bit. Yep. Would have been a pretty nice long for a scalp at least. Yo, what up? What up? If you're in here, say good morning. Say good morning. Say what's up. Pumping up now. Look at it go. Oh yeah, you're going to have to check out Hypertix, man. Use code SLADE. You get they're 50% off with code SLADE right now. Really good discount. I think they're probably like the cheapest accounts. I think for sure the cheapest instant funded accounts. Man, I should have taken this long, but I'd rather it swept this 490 and then got this long set up. So let's see now. 2 minutes. Tapping into a 15-minute gap right there. Now, it's wanting to pump. It's pumping. It's pumping up now, buddy. She's pumping. Makucho said 11 p.m. in Australia. Dang. It's late out there in Australia. Devin, yep. Sometimes it goes early. Didn't take out that 490 level. It's just going. It's just going. The chipster's over here acting crazy, man. He's acting crazy. What he's doing. The chip meister. Alright, let's see, man. Yeah, so I got those 30 minutes marked out. You see, we respected the bearish 30-minute gaps and started to come down. So, let's see here. You see we got two fair value gaps. They're both bearish and came up, literally tapped into it, used it like a resistance, and then boom, came down. Bodies held this lower one. This candle right here came up, wicked into this 30-minute bearish gap up here, and boom, came down. So use these gaps as support and resistance, pretty much. But let's see here. See if we're going to get a trade this morning. Hello from the Netherlands. It's 1420 here. Question: is it possible I can learn trading in a year and make money? I know the basics, but not all the technicals. Yeah, you can learn. For sure. If you work hard and smart. Lbox said, "Yo, are we taking longs today?" Maybe. Maybe. I wanted to see us take out this 490 level down there, but it looks like that's not gonna happen. We pumping. But we did just kind of sweep these levels over here, so I'm going to be watching closely now. We just tapped into this bearish gap over here. You see we tapped into that bearish gap over there now, so let's see. Could be some ideal short setups coming in. Taking a look here, man. Taking a look. See if it's still going to keep on pumping or if it's getting ready to turn back around to the downside. Let's see, man. We just swept this really nice level right here, and we tapped into this gap. We rejected very nicely off of it. Tapped right into it, rejected. Nicely off of that gap. So let's see, man. What you guys think? You think it's going to continue up or go down? You think it's going to continue up or go down? The vertical boxes or fair value gaps? What do you think? You think up or down? Yeah, Ollie, it's medium impact. It probably ain't going to do anything. Hopefully down. You took a long. That means you wanted to go up. Everybody's saying down. I'm more to the downside too, but just cause we left that 490 level down there that I wanted us to hit. But we'll see. We'll see. Dang, it's really starting to dump it now. All right, let's see. Deciding if I want to grab some shorts or not. I'm going to hold off for now. I'm going to hold off for right now. Not going to rush into anything. Yo, appreciate the follows and the subs, man. We're almost at 10,000 over there. So hit that sub button. Hit that follow button. I sure would appreciate it, man. It helps out a lot. Sure would appreciate it. And if you enjoy the stream, just comment in here. It helps the streams out a lot when you guys comment. You can say anything. You can type anything. It doesn't matter. But it just helps a lot. All right, let's see here. Thing starting to come down now. Five-minute gap right there. Tapping into this 5-minute gap. So let's see here. Let's see what this 5-minute gap's going to do. Wait on it. I'm going to wait on it. Be smart this morning and wait on this 5-minute gap. All right. Let's just wait on this gap. Be smart and patient. Because these gaps are supposed to act as support and resistance. So technically, this gap is supposed to act as a support and push it up. Now, if it doesn't support it and it closes below here, then we can short it down to this 490 level. And that's plenty of points, because if it closes below there, that's plenty of points, man. Plenty. That'll pay the bills. That'll pay the bills right there. Plenty of points. Can go to break even at one of these lows down here. Looks nice. If we can get the close below. Don't know if it's going to happen though. Wait and see. Wait and see if we get that close below. Oh, Devin. You got a white monster? Gosh. Man, that's getting me excited over here. Yeah. So the fair value gap, you see how this wick and this wick don't meet? This wick right here and this wick right here, they don't meet. So you draw it from this wick up to this wick, and that is your gap. It's the area in the middle where the wicks don't meet. And since the candle's green, it's bullish. It's a bullish fair value gap, so it should act as support. It should bounce from it and continue up. But I'm bearish, so I want to see this thing close below here. And then I can grab some shorts. But it needs to close below in 35 seconds, or it may just leave without us if it's going to go down. Because this next candle could just dump it. Because we'd have to wait a whole another 5 minutes. And I don't think this candle is going to close below here. No, that's not previous day low. We're already below previous day low. That's just a 4-hour low. Super obvious 4-hour low. Chris said YTP at 490. It's a super obvious 4-hour low. See, if I switch it over here to the 4-hour time frame, it's just a 4-hour low right here. And then this down here at 239 is a swing point. But that's a 4-hour low right there. And we've been closing. We closed below this 4-hour fair value gap. So that would be your first target on a close below. But we'll see. Starting to come down now, man. I was thinking about shorting up here too, man. Kind of like a discretion trade. But I didn't. Just based off of that reaction from that 1-minute fair value gap up there. And just screen time, dude. We swept like all these highs over here. Swept all these highs. Tapped into this obvious gap. And just that reaction back down made me kind of want to short. And that would have been some good points right there. Because I was thinking about doing it up here on this candle up above. So, I mean, that would have been some good points already. 35 points or so, but didn't take it. Would have been a nice little scalp. Yeah, CPI is not today. It was something else. Empire State Manufacturing Index. It was medium impact news, so nothing crazy. Let's see. Nothing crazy. Join the free Discord, man. Join up. Always hanging out in there. We do some giveaways in there too, so join up in there, man. Join up in the free Discord. I'm about to start making a lot of content too, so make sure you're hitting that follow and sub button. I'm about to start making a lot of short form content, maybe some videos also. So we about to get kicking. We about to start kicking, man. I might even start posting today. What up, Vit? What's going on, bro? Black Packer said, Big Slade, I don't see where you got the 1-minute gap above. Let me show you. It's over here to the left. If you scroll over here to the left, you got this 1 minute. And look, it's right above all these highs right here. So you see all these highs stacked up. We never tapped into that gap either. So right here, you see this green candle, the bottom of its wick doesn't meet this wick right here. And in that area in between, that's the 1 minute gap, and I just dragged it over. And we came up, literally tapped right into it, swept these highs over here, and then dropped it down. Was that gap in London? I mean, yeah, it was. I don't know when it was, but it was a while ago. No, it was at 7:29. It was that 7:29 candle, so about an hour ago. 7:29 candle. Tapped into that. Give me just a second. But yeah, man, check out Hypertix if you haven't. If you haven't checked them out, I think they're worth checking out. It's a good prop firm. They paying out, and they got some good accounts over there. I'm trading with them. Gonna request another payout here pretty soon with Hypertix. There's another gap at 1 hour, 24,408. Yeah, I'm just keeping my charts pretty clean right now. I like to keep them clean. So you see we are bouncing up from this 5-minute bullish gap. Bouncing up. So see if we're going to continue up now, or if we're going to turn it around back down. I really want to see us come take out this 490 level down here. Would like to see that. I might even try a little short here. There's no gaps, man. I really want to see an inversion. Try to wait on an inversion. Yeah. We'd have to inverse this 5-minute gap here. We're not making any 1-minute fair value gaps, really. So, let's see. See what's gonna happen. Hey, we're doing a giveaway tomorrow, so make sure you're on the streams tomorrow. We're going to do a giveaway on the live stream tomorrow. 8 a.m. Eastern time. Be here. We're going to do a giveaway on the stream tomorrow. We're going to get spicy tomorrow with the giveaway. Who wants a giveaway tomorrow? Yeah, make sure you hit that follow and that sub button. I appreciate it. We're getting close to 10,000 subscribers. We're getting close to 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, I just use fair value gaps and liquidity. What up, Rs Tide? What's going on? Winning with Quincy. I got 3 instant funded accounts. I got 3. On the instant funded, you can have 3. I think if you do like evaluations, you can go up to 5 or 6. But the instant fundeds I'm trading with are 3. They have another instant funded. I think you can go up to 5 accounts with those also, or 6. But yeah, man, so far we're respecting this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. You see, came down, tapped into this 5-minute gap, kind of using it as a support, bouncing back up now. But see, man, kind of grinding its way up here. Kind of grinding its way up. New 15-minute candle. Yeah, Jack. Same here, bro. Same here, Jack. Cat Lego trading with hyperticks right now. Yeah, I might have to wait on New York. I really want to see if we can come down and hit this 490 level. That's what I'm waiting and watching on. I was hoping to get a short entry. This 5-minute bullish gap here, though. If we close below here, it's going to be obvious shorts down to that 490 level. But right now, we're just respecting it. Respecting this 5-minute bullish gap right now. So let's see, man. We're gonna do a giveaway tomorrow though on the live stream. So make sure you're here. Make sure you're here at 8 a.m. Eastern time. We trade live every day, or at least do analysis. I do a lot of my trading in the New York session, but I like to get on here for sure, hang out with you guys, and at least get used to how the market's moving in the morning. I think it's really a good tip for you. Get on the charts early and kind of get used to how the candles are moving for the day, and kind of let your brain get into the trading, get used to it. It'll help you out a lot. You don't want to just hop on right at 9:30 and start trading. You kind of want to get on here, see how the candles are moving, get your levels, figure out what you want to see, come up with a plan, and yeah, it'll help you out a lot if you come out with a plan. Come out ready to attack. Yeah, you can copy trade Chad Smith. You can copy trade the 3 accounts on hyperticks. All right, man. Let's see. I don't think this 5-minute candle is going to close below here still. Got a minute left on this 5-minute candle. Don't look like it's going to close below there yet, but I'll be watching. On a 5-minute candle closure below here, pretty obvious shorts down. At one of these lows here, you could go to break even if you'd like, and then the draw would be at 490.75 down there. If we can get a closure below this 5-minute gap. I always trade NQ. I always trade NQ. I don't even look at ES. Oh yeah, I just got a 10.5K payout with hyperticks last week. They pay out. And if you want to become a member of the channel, it's like $2.99. I'd sure appreciate it also if you want to become a member. You get a cool logo by your name, and just reply to you faster and stuff when I see that cool logo next to your name. All right, so this 5-minute candle didn't close below there. We did close below these candle bodies here. So, I mean, we closed below these candle bodies. See if it kind of wicks up there and works its way down now. Whoa, guess not. Look at that. Look at that. Where did that come from? That was crazy. That is crazy, boys. We pumping. Some news come out or something? That's a crazy pump. Out of nowhere. Look at that. That was a 61-point candle, dude. Dude, there gotta be some news coming out or something. We're up like 85 points in a few seconds, dude. Anybody tell me if that was some news that just came out? Gotta be. Gotta be some news. That's why I was waiting here on this 5-minute. You see how it respected this 5-minute gap pumping up now? Wow. Wow, dude. Respected that 5-minute gap and pumping. Glad I didn't take shorts yet. What a pump. Let me see here if anybody... Yeah, that looks like a Trump tweet or something. Now, I'm not shorting this. I ain't getting in the way of it now. I was waiting on a confirmation to short, but never got a confirmation. So... That's why you wait. That's why you wait on that confirmation right there, man. That was crazy. Yeah, I almost got fried, but luckily I was waiting. Luckily I was waiting. All right, let's see here. Got the London highs up here. Is that going to be what it's targeting right now? Got these London highs. Did we sweep out some of these highs over here? Yeah, sweep out some highs over here. But we'll see. Could just go after that London high now. It's pretty close up there. We'll see. I'm probably just going to wait on New York session. Get something nice in there when the volume comes up. But man, what a pump. Came down. Look at that. Came down, used the previous day low as a support right inside of that 5-minute bullish gap. Bounce off the previous day low, come up, bounce off of it again, and boom, pumps. Wow. Yeah, man, but if you want to check out Hypertix, make sure you use code SLADE. They got some good accounts over there. I'm getting ready. Going to be taking another payout here soon if I can catch a couple more good trades, man. Couple more good trades and I'll be in another payout land on Hypertix. I'll be in payout land again. That's what's good about these prop firm accounts though. The first payout is always the hardest. Then once you get past that first one, you kind of coast into the next few. Justin King, sometimes I trade pre-market. I'm on here, and if we get a good setup, I'll take it. But really just on here to get a kind of plan, see what's going on with the market, and get my mind ready for the New York session. But if a good setup happens, during the pre-market, I'll take it for sure. If a good setup happens. But, alright guys, I'm about to head off of here, get ready to trade. And, yeah, if you're not in, join the free Discord. It's completely free community. Hang out, talk trading, ask questions. And, yeah, just get you some trading buddies in there. Join the free Discord. If you want to check out Hypertix, use code SLADE for 50% off. And use code SLADE on if you ever pick up a prop firm account, you can use code SLADE and get the best discounts anywhere. But, alright guys, with that being said, I'm about to hop off here. Hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe trading. And I'll see you tomorrow. Be here. We're doing a giveaway tomorrow. Peace.